Imagine this. The year is 410 AD. The mighty Roman Empire, a superpower for centuries, is brought to its knees. For the first time in 800 years, the eternal city of Rome is breached and mercilessly sacked by invaders. But who dared to commit such an act? It was the Visigoths, led by their king Alaric. For 3 agonizing days, they plundered the city's vast wealth, burned its magnificent buildings, and shattered the illusion of Roman invincibility. This wasn't just a military defeat. It was a profound psychological blow that echoed across the entire empire. The fall of a city that was once the center of the world marked a terrifying turning point. How did this happen? And what did it mean for the future of Western civilization? We're diving deep into the story. Subscribe for more.